Morning guys, September 23rd, 2025. This one here I got a call for a boiler that's leaking water out of a circulator. I had to go by there and drain it down and change out the circulator. Looks like a 007 leaking from the weep hole. So I got 007s in the truck. I'll just swap it out to purge all the zones out after I'm done. It's got probably 5 or 6 zones over there. It's a big house, all circulators. Well, I know there's a pit right down in the ground over there, so I'll be able to just drain into the pit and pump it out. But, yeah, we'll try to get you some shots if I can over there. Been there before. Looks like it might just be that. Maybe I could just tighten up the bolt a little bit. That's what it looks like to me. Let's see if we get a little bit more out of it. Don't look like it's leaking to me. Oh yeah, just as loose as she's loose as a goose, mama. He's a little so. Come on, guy. Let the flip. That's all. Needs to be tightened up a little bit. That's all. Sell them a new thing when they don't need it. Sell them a new circulator. The weep hole's on the side here. Well, it's not leaking from the weep hole. Significant leak here. Is there a weep hole there? I guess there is a weep hole there, but I don't see it. I don't think that's... It's just leaking from that thing was loose as a goose, mama. That's all. We'll check all the other ones while I'm here. It's tight. While I'm here, I might as well check them all. It's tight. It's tight. They do kind of loosen up after a while. Because what happens is the gasket will settle in, you know. It don't hurt to give them a little snuggeroo every so often. Make sure that they're good. Won't hurt. them here. I'm in charge of them coming out here anyway, so I might as well. Sometimes they'll get rusty from leaking, you know, and then I gotta. This one's a little rusted out, I think. It's not leaking, so I'll leave it. It's fine. Why sell them something you don't need? Maybe I'll jump that one out, make sure it's not leaking before I leave. Zone 1. Definitely running. Wait for it to come back warm before I leave, but I jumped out a couple of more zones. That one's definitely running. That one's definitely running. That one's running. Yeah, this one's coming back warm now. That one's definitely working. This one's not. This one's coming back warm too. And this one's coming back warm. This one here is a zone control over here. Should be labeled. They're not. I think this is the The one that I don't have jumped out on the number 4 zone. I like to label them. 1, 2, 3, and this is the water heater. Well, this water heater one is the 4th zone, which I don't have jumped out. That's the 4th zone. That's going to this water heater number 4. I got 3 zones jumped out now. And I could trace them all back here, what goes where, but I really needed to. As long as it's not leaking, that's all I care about. That one's coming back hot. They're all coming back hot now. First floor. Notice them 3 there. 1, 2, 3 zones. And the 4th zone is this. That end zone is this one, this control, so it should all be good. Tightened up all circulator bolts on 5 zones. Ran 1, no leaks. Tightened up circulator bolts on 5 zones. Ran all zones, no leaks. Yeah, tridicator's not working. Next time I drain it down, I'll change that. I just like to just tighten the top one up so it don't fall off.